everybody. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a flapping bird. This is how it flaps. Pretty cool. Today I'll be using a piece of origami paper. You can use printer paper, but you have to make sure it's a square. So let's begin. First, let's start with the white side up. Then fold it in half, this way. Once you fold it in half the other way to make a plus once you unfold it. Once you fold it, make sure the open side is facing the bottom and fold the top corner to the middle line. Then flip it over and repeat on the other side. After you fold it, open it up and there should be a pocket. Press down on the pocket so it turns into this. This is called the preliminary base. It should look like this. Then fold one of the flaps to the middle. Remember, the open side should be at the bottom. Once you fold it, it should be somewhat like a weird triangle. After you do that, repeat on the other side. Now, fold the top along the two triangles to touch the middle. Now, unfold the triangles, open the first flap, and press it against the crease you made at the top. Now, flatten everything down and press down the two sides. It should look just like this. After you do that, flip it over and do the same thing you did on the first side. Now flatten everything and fold the two flaps on both sides back down. Next, open up the side and pull out a flap. Gently pinch the corner and fold it against the paper. And then flatten it. It should look just like this. Repeat on the other side, except this time, make it face a little higher. This will make the crane's head. Now, take the top, pinch it, and fold it down. It'll look like the crane's face. Now, open up the two flaps and bend it down a little bit and pinch the corner at the top. Repeat on the other side. This will help the wings flap better. Next, open up the back pockets for both wings so it can fly better. Once that's done, I would like to take a Sharpie or marker or a pencil and roll up the wings so it looks better. If you want later, you can add details like eyes and a mouth. We're almost done. Now it's time to show you how to make this flap. Put your thumb towards the end of the crane's neck. Then pull its tail and you will see it flapping.